Bless up my people, big up on yourself people. Yeah, right about now my viewers and my subscribers have a thing to talk about right now people. Jano, it not nice on a young man's side. When you link say, it not nice on a young man's side now in a New Kingston people. It tough, it rough on him side, yo. New link a launch a attack on the young boy a daddy people. Cause you see that daddy here is a wicked boy. You see that wife here too. He is a wicked wife, you know. Boy, people, you know them young boy, they have the chat. Cause me a young boy too, you know, we have the big chat, so yo, we are done, we are star, but John no people. You know that some of them big man they, them bad and the young boy them with them mouth. Them know for use them mouth, cause them use them mouth and we take with the young boy them man. Because me I go tell about the story you know people at Newlink production, right? A 28-year-old man who is a sales rep in New Kingston people right now. Him have to in our medical facility and get treatment people. Can him get the shock of him life. Him never expect it. Yeah, viewers and subs, me say man never expect it. Alright, it just said that, right? The man, him live in him nice house with him wife. You understand? Him daddy and me don't know if him daddy live there, but him daddy was there or something. See? So him say, him decide alright then, him a go work in the morning, drive out him car upon the road, then him boom, him forgot say him left him ID, him forgot him ID. I God make him left for ID people, cause I want to find out. So him say him turn back now and go for your ID. When him pull in the house, pull the door. Him say here I look a sound, a morning sound like, you know them look a sound, they like, you know like when the woman about, you know them thing there, yeah. Woman have feel it on the morning on the ground. So him say yo, him a think say something happened to him wife, so him take time and go in and him man say when him enter the bathroom people, and when him look, and him wife him see on the bathroom counter cock up so, and him daddy him see with him head between the wife leg and near me out. People, him man say him almost faint. Zin, him almost faint if he in a blackout people because him get the shock of him life. Him can't believe say him father who him love so much, him daddy went check for him see. And him say when him daddy look and see him daddy him go get up. Wipe off him out, him wipe it off people and walk away. You'd say him grab a knife from the kitchen and the wife come and grab him and the daddy manage to run. Zin, right now people as me I tell you the youth of it in our medical facility in a Kingston people and all the youth depend when the people them go to him, some news people go to him to talk to him people, all the youth depend when him catch him daddy, him a go kill him. All when him catch him, you'd say he not go pretty when him hold him. Zin, you'd say him know say him daddy have a license for firearm and him no business. But you know people, the youth that say all along, you know, the daddy used to buy expensive gift give your wife, but him does a feel say yo, him does a do it because I'm son and him rate him. Can I expect him daddy? Cause serious people, him not expect him daddy to do that. Look upon the people, be honest now. You see me, that's why me not trust nobody, you know people, me not trust nobody. Yeah, man, so you have to trust a wife that's certain. Yo, me trust my wife, yes, but John know people, yeah? Yo, him and daddy, you know, you would say yo, him could have believe. Right now, I'm still there at the hospital, right? Them have to give him some injections, you know, because he's still in a shock. Him dead faint out, him dead knock out, him dead black out, him dead sick out and everything. Him still not come out yet, people. And the youth say anytime him come out, the first thing we him go do still, him go find a marriage counselor for hear what him for do with between him wife and him daddy and everything. See? But I don't know when you link do it, I don't know when you link I got say people. See, on a real level. What me think say the youth really need to do is you see that wife there. Cut that the wife there right off. Finish with that the wife there. Done with that the wife there. See? That the wife there near wife youth. Get rid of that wife there. The wife there has some problem. The wife there is a demons and hell. And you see your father, boy John, I don't know me could have forgive my daddy for that till selling up people. But you know what I say? If you follow the Bible, forgive. You see it? Forgive him, youth, but know your limit. See, you know, your father already, forgive him, but know your limit with your daddy. Your daddy, yo, a cruel thing to do with your daddy. Me not tell no lie, you shouldn't name out your daddy, man, wife salt, brother. You should never name out your wife salt. Come much woman there in a Kingston and you have to go lost off your son wife, brother. You're a wicked father, you know. Youth, I remember I'm telling you, go try to do a DNA and see if I really your father. Because I'm not think your father that really did that, brother. Zin? See me a sweat people, yeah, because I lock off the car, me in a car and the son a beard on the car, I'm a wet people. John was star. Right now people are youth not shock and me feel the fame still and not a joke thing. And then a laugh thing, now because me do it with some style. I don't know when you link do it when me attack. But a straight attack for the father and man, I want wicked daddy. So viewers and subscribers, enough love and enough respect, and you don't know this is new link. And don't forget to subscribe and like and do share. Do leave your comment and everything. This is a new link and I will say attack people. Please share the video them, please support the thing. Don't know the thing. Bless up, big up.